Here we go, second flight of the FMS A-10 version 2. So I'm going to throw it around a bit more, having trimmed it out and just got used to it. Bit windy, but I don't think it'll notice that. Here we go. It's very windy.
It's getting worse, I think, the wind.
Yeah. Here we go. Wind up the hill, so this is a fast pass. Those twin 70s do sound good. Nothing beats a twin, really. I'll slow it up with half flap, slow pass. Flaps back up. Gear down on this pass.
Nice and slow then.
And I'm going to keep quite a bit of height. You'll be amazed how much drag these flaps kick in. I can drop down from that height. Look, and all the drag, and it's immediately slowed up. Doesn't get any better than that. Nice. There you go, that's the FMS A-10 version 2, 1.5 metre with a 4MAX 6S 6000 pack using the Reflex version 2 gyro system in optimised mode. Cancels out some of the turbulence that you get, but again, I'll say with this model, the thing is, it takes minutes to put together because all the work has been done for you. You literally screw the control, the vertical stabilizer and horizontal stabilizers on the wings. Screw those on, they're self-connecting, no servo connections. Put in your receiver, and the outputs from the gyro, just put those, the reflex gyro, just put those into your receiver, bind your transmitter, simple setup, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. So thanks for watching, thanks to Jay on camera.
No problem.
And we'll be back for another episode of Essential RC in the very near future. Bye. Slowed up. Doesn't get